Hello, dear students. This is the video session wherein I am going to uh, speak on another that is the second important male character, that is the Fainal. Fainal is the second important character in the play Way of the World, which is written by William Congreve. Fainal is an equally important character like Mirabel. Mirabel and Fainal, they were friends, and they were contemporary people, same age group, and they were brought up in the town, having all the passions of love and money and plot. Those we could see similar things in the two characters. Fainal, he was introduced to the audience of the play Way of the World. He was already married. We see that Mirabel is started his love element, whereas Fainal he married already. That is Mrs. Fainal, the daughter of Lady Wishport. He married the daughter of Mary Wishport, Lady Wishport, the wealthy widow, and he married Mrs. Fainal for money. There was no any kind of love and affection to Fainal, but luckily he married Fainal. His intention was to get money and property of Lady Wishfort, as she was wealthy lady of the day. And he had a mistress. Every man is a mistress in the play, particularly that is Mirabel and Fainal. These two characters, they are loving one and having affairs with many other ladies and women in the whole play, throughout the play that we see that. That is how love and sex and fashionable love and sentimental love, and that is such a kind of relationship that we find in the throughout the play, The Way of the World. And he had a mistress, that Mrs. Marwood, and who was in love with Mirabel too. Most of the women and ladies, they were in love with Mirabel in the play, and he had an affair with them. The same way, Fainal, though he married already the woman that is Mrs. Fainal, still he was having the that is affections, and he had a mistress by name Mrs. Hartwood. And this is the game that we see in the restoration, the comedies, the sentimental comedies and comedic manners. Let us see that that is Fainal, he was treated as a opportunist. He was intelligent and opportunist, and a man who can veer with the winds of circumstances. In any circumstances, he can adjust himself and to become uses his mind intelligently and be success and by getting that opportunity as well for his purpose. It is was well described by his close friend, that is Mirabel. Mirabel describes him as a man on the that is a fringes of that is respectability, a man who is almost acceptable. To these two complementary descriptions, we must add another quality noted before Fainal's intense suspicion. He is a man of suspicion. He suspect anyone. He suspects his wife too. His wife also was in affair with the Mirabel. It is a known fact to everyone. He distrusts his mistress as naturally as he breathes. Even he could never believe his wife, Mrs. Final. If not, he could love that his wife, Mrs. Final. At least he could love and have faith on other affairs. But even he could not, that is, trust any of his mistress. He was a man of suspicion to each and every one, both the men and women. He distrusts his mistress as naturally as he breathes. It could become an habit for the final to that is distrust any people or any persons who are in his contact and his relations as he breathes. It was quite natural for him to be like this. He disturbs everything Mirabel says. He not only the men but even all situations were disturbed by him. He is a man of suspicion. It is not that he assumes Mirabel is lying. Necessarily, rather, he looks for snide implications in the words and finds them. In justice to Final, it should be noted that the snide implications are there. We see that. And his love affairs with many other women. Now he was keeping these affairs with those, though he is married. That is Mrs. Final, the daughter of Lady Wishford. The one disreputable act we can attribute to him before the play starts is his marriage. His marriage itself was an affair in the beginning. He could get marry her for the money. This is the fact knows Mrs. Final, his wife, and he too. And it is the fact ultimately that is revealed to Mirabel by Mrs. Final as he was the mistress of the Mirabel. The fact that he married for money can hardly be held against him in society, but to marry for money to finance a love affair is more difficult to accept. Yet it is hard to see that his part in marrying the rich widow is worse than the Mirabel's in arranging for marriage of his mistress to his friend so as to protect her from scandal should she become pregnant through his the lover's attentions. In each of the items mentioned above, the final is somewhat uh, that is final uh, is somewhat um, tarnished version of Mirabel. Mirabel's that is deafness in handling his world becomes Vienna's bustling opportunism. Mirabel's caution in trusting people becomes Vienna's almost that is the pathological suspicions of every word everyone says. And right, we see that the relationship between that is Final and Mirabel, the major the male characters in the play. All the plots and the complications that were created by these two people. That is, let us see that it is in their loves that is both Final and Mirabel that we can see that is glaring. Final's attitude to life as that is a smirched version of Mirabel's. Mirabel's life is quite lovable, and it is practical. But whereas finals, that is attitude to life, it was completely practical. That we see that possibly against their wills, both are in love. Mirabel loves to marriage based on mutual respect. Final will try to shut his eyes to what he sees and pretend to believe against clear evidence. In love affair, hemmed on all sides, indignity and deceit. When final suspicion about his wives are confirmed, he moves from a kind of generalized unpleasantness to quite specific action. Once his plans are made, he proceeds ruthlessly. This is a we could see he is a man of practical and having this